Huwag nating pag-usapan lang yung pagbabago ng mga ugali natin. Baguhin muna natin yung kaisipan natin. Pagdating naman doon sa New Year's resolution na pinag-uusapan natin, ang suggestion ko is, let us resolve to have the right thinking. There is a difference between values and principles. Pag ang resolution mo is only in terms of values, magpapakabait na ako, pero hindi mo naman naintindihan yung tamang kahulugan ng buhay kung bakit tayo magiging mabait, wala kang tamang thinking, wala ka sa prinsipyo. Principles are more basic and in fact the grounding of values. Values can change but principles are permanent. Bakit nagbabago yung values? Yung iba na promote lang, nagbago ang ugali. Values can change from one circumstance after another, from one situation after another. And in fact, values can vary in terms of cultural differences. Slightly, there are some differences with our culture compared to the West. Americans are more pragmatic. Tayo naman more on religious principles. So values can change from one culture after another, but principles are permanent. What does it mean when I say permanent? It is something which is changeless, timeless, and in fact universal. First, bakit changeless and timeless? Because there is never a wrong time to do the right thing. There is only one meaning of being good, which cannot be bad. What was good thousands and millions of years ago is still good today. It cannot be bad. And what was evil then thousands and millions of years ago is still evil today. Hindi nagbabago yung principles. Bakit? Because principles are natural laws. Ay nagbago na ba yung law of gravity? When you jump from the third floor of the building, you will surely hit the ground. Hindi pa nagbago yun. The law of karma. The law of karma is simply the law of cause and effect in philosophy. And everything that you do, there are consequences, whether it is negative or positive, whether it is good or bad. When you do something good, ang consequence is good. When you do something bad, the consequence is bad. That is the law of karma. Ang point ko dito is, kung gusto natin talaga magbago, huwag nating pag-usapan lang yung pagbabago ng mga ugali natin. Baguhin muna natin yung kaisipan natin. Let us have a beautiful understanding, a beautiful thinking about life. Life is a gift.